What is good, YouTube, and to my sneaker world family? It is your guy again, JUDL12, aka Bubba, back with another quick review. And guys, this will be part 2 of the Black Panther pack. And if you hadn't seen part 1 of the Black Panther pack, go down to the quick review link in the description down below, and I have a playlist there, and that will be part 1. This is part 2, guys. And before we get started, as always, do not forget to hit the thumbs up button for your boy, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell for upcoming vids, and also subscribe to the channel. Guys, let's also send a huge shout out to TD501 for the assist again by letting me review his Black Panther pack. And these are both my big bros. You can catch him on IG at TD501. Go on there, show love and support, comment, and make sure you like pictures on his page, man. Lots of dope content, lots of dope pictures, and lots of dope oh God, I cannot talk. Lots of dope shoes and sneakers on his page, guys. So continue to show love there and on the channel also, guys, and continue to subscribe. We're trying to hit 50 subscribers, and we're trying to get to 1,000. That's the goal. We're gonna start small, so let's continue to grow those subscribers, guys. I appreciate it. Now, this will be part 2 of the Black Panther pack. These will be, well, part 1, you have your Tsugi, Puma Tsugis. These are the Puma Mostros. I hope I'm saying that right, but it's the Puma Mostro. And these released on February 10th also. As was a beta exclusive online raffle that they had on February 10th. The Tsugi retailed at $150 and these retailed at $160. The Tsugi was limited to 300 pairs. And the Mostro here, you're only limited to 100. Now, this is Big Bro. He has 35, number 35 out of 100. And this is worldwide, of course. Out of the number pairs, well, it's only number pairs, 35 out of 100. Guys, this is a Bait exclusive, man. Shout out to Bait. Shout out to Black Panther, that whole cast. Amazing job. Number 1, let's continue to grow. Continue to support that project. Man, that was one of the best moves of all time. I'm saying it. By far, 2018, it's probably the best movie of 2018, like I stated in some of my older videos. And go check those out. But, man, if you look at the details on these shoes, man, that whole pack, they killed it with this Black Panther pack, man. This is the Mostro here. I'm gonna give you a 360 of it. You have your straps there. You have your Bait right there stitched in. This is your outsole here. This is a dope ass shoe, man. That whole pack, the Tsugi, mad dope. This Mostro, this is pretty sick also. And for it to be so limited, man, there's only 100 of these made. And you got number 35 out of 100 here. And this, Big Bro, you are killing the game right now, boy. You got a lot of heat. So, man, you got to quit killing us like this. But as you can see also, man, it comes with the reprint of the King Solomon's Frog number 1 edition, which is dope, man. You got this when you purchased the out of the pack. And my brother was also, he got these off of StockX also, man. So very limited shoe, guys, man. Continue to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more. I have more of the Bait collection coming. I have more dope vids, man. Go check out all the recent vids I have. I have more coming, guys. So continue to show love. Let's get to that 50 subscribe mark, and let's get to the 1,000 subscribe mark. So let's keep pushing. So without any further ado, guys, I'm going to sign out here. It has been JUDL12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files Lego.